Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, we'll learn about how to generate a linear frequency sweep signal using the software SBench6. Once you start the software, go to the tab Function. In the window that appears, you may either write the mathematical formula of your desired function or load the function from the available options. For this example, I'll load the text file for the function linear frequency sweep. The description here defines the meaning of every constant used in the formula written. I'll replace the constant xmax with the word length. By doing that, I ensure that the software automatically takes care that the length of the signal defined is similar to the length of the samples defined in this tab. Suppose I intend to perform a frequency sweep ranging from 20 kHz to 30 kHz. To accommodate this sweep, I opt for a sample rate that is in the power of 2 and is at least double the end frequency of the sweep. In this case, the nearest power of 2, which is greater than 30 kHz, is 64 kHz. Hence, I define my sample rate to be 64 kHz. Using this sample rate, I select a signal length which is at least twice of the sample rate. For this case, it should be 128 kilosamples, which corresponds to a duration of 2 seconds. The constants xs and xe here in the description correspond to the start and the end period in samples for your signal. The values of constant xs and xe here are decided using the MATLAB script provided with the tutorial. Corresponding values of xx and xe for a sweep ranging from 20 kHz to 30 kHz are 3.2 and 2.13 respectively. After this, you may start your signal. To ensure that the signal defined and the signal generated by the software are same, you need to ensure that the value of internal clock in this tab here is the same as defined in the sample rate. Hence, I will change this value to 64 kHz. Similarly, go to the output mode and define the value of your mem size that should be equal to the length of your signal. Once you have done this, go to the tab Function, double click on it and hit OK. To ensure that the generated signal is indeed the same as you defined, you may perform an FFT of it. To do that, right click on the tab Function and go to Calculations. Then go to Signal Calculations and perform FFT. In the window that appears, you may select an FFT window that you want to work with. For now, I'll start working with the window rectangle. If you analyze the signal in the frequency domain, you can see that the sweep is indeed from 20 kHz to 30 kHz. This is how you generate a sine sweep using SBench6. After you have done that, go to the tab Output Channels and select the channel that is connected to your system. Right now, I am connected to channel 0. Hence, I'll double click on it and assign an output data function to the output channel. This will ensure that you start sending the defined signal.